Okay, hey guys. So today we're going to be. Wait, actually, let me just move y'all real quick. Sorry, guys. I have really bad lighting over here. Anyway, today we're gonna be dyeing this like lightish pinkish slime, whatever this color is. It's really dark and I love my pinkish slime, so I'm gonna try it on this little teeny tiny piece of slime. I need to get better lighting now. Hold on. Okay, I'm back, guys. I actually found another solution. I could just put my ceiling light on, easy peasy. And I also had that other lamp on, which didn't bring enough light. And yeah. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so this is the piece of slime. Since I have really bad, I don't know. I'm going to get really close up, and we're using pH lip oil, color enhancing. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I don't care. Anyway, we're just gonna put it in the middle of this one, like this, and we're just gonna see what it's like. Because if it changes color like completely, if it gets darker, like way darker than it should be, then I'm not doing this in my slime. Or maybe if we get this one to 500 likes. I know that will never happen, but like if I have a good whatchamacallit, sorry y'all. If I have a good oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Anyway, thumbnail, yeah. Sorry. I have really bad memory. Like, I forget everything whenever I'm around people or around like the screen. And yeah. So this is what it looks like. So this is a normal piece of the slime. And this is what it looks like dyed. You know what? Let's put it together. And then this is what it looks like whenever it's lighter, or you put it in the slime. Let's hope it doesn't change the whole color. I'm kind of scared to do this, because what if it actually gets like... Sorry, y'all. Let me just get out the way, because I think it just doesn't show light. Yeah. I think it looks good. It's like a kind of pinkish. Okay, I'm gonna keep this like separate because I don't want the slime to, sorry, mix in. I'm kidding. I did not put it in there. Anyway, I'm gonna go make the thumbnail. And I really don't want to show my face no more because I'm scared like people recognize me at my house while I'm like outside or filming a video. And they'll know my address. So, yeah. And if you're one of my best friends from school, like Coralia, Jocelyn, Olivia, Noah, I think he watches my videos. And then Thomas, he's not one of my best friends, but he's like kind of my friend because he watches my videos too. So if y'all are seeing this, thanks for watching. And I actually changed my mind. I decided to put it in slime because it doesn't really change the slime color. And just a little piece does not change the slime color. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all maybe tomorrow or when I'm planning to post again, because I just had found this old iPad. And I just had got off of school, so I had to do like chores and everything. And I have a life. I have things to do. I can't just sit around and look at the screen all day. But anyway, I hope to see y'all again, and let's hope this blows up so I can dye my slime Let's see what this color is. Let's see. So I can dye my slime violet purple. Okay. Ooh, what was that? See ya later. And also, I might do more slime videos because I have like 2 more slimes. Bye.